Hi guys, Max from Metros. Something very nice came in the other day that I thought I'd like to show you. This was built for us by one of our modelling team members who most of you probably have heard of at some stage, called a gentleman called Les Appleby, or Uncle Les. He built this for us, so let's have a look to see what it is. Okay, so here it is. This is the 24 scale Spitfire Mk.VIII done in Australian markings, which comes in the kit, obviously, because that's what the box art shows. Les has been building this for probably 2 months or so. He's done a brilliant job, as you can see. He's pointed out, he's enjoyed building the model. There's a few points he's pointed out that you're going to have to be careful of. The biggest thing and the biggest note to take notice of is that you need to follow the instructions. It's not one of those kits you can just sort of willy-nilly do bits and pieces, because so much is interconnected that you need to do, and there's points along in the instructions and they indicate this. If you want to do certain things, you've got to do it at this stage, or you leave things out. Points of note are the engine. Yes, there's a full engine in there, but if you want to leave all the cowls off, you can build the whole engine and that's it. If you want to put cowls on, you have to leave parts out of the engine. This does not fit. You can't put the cowls on and off. You have them on or you have them off. What Les has done here is to give us one side with them all on, all closed up, and on the other side, whoops, on the other side, he's left it open so that you can see. The same principle applies to the wing bays. As you can see on this side, they're closed up, and again, if you're going to close them up, you need to leave out half the weaponry or half the parts for the weaponry, because you cannot close these over it. On the other side, he's left it open to show you what's in there. But again, this is all now got all the detail in it, but the covers will not go on with all that equipment in there. Cockpit wise, quite detailed. He said he was very happy with the cockpit. A lot in there to do. You get a choice of doors so that you can have open and close and all sorts of things. Again, just a lovely kit that, as he said, was just superb to put together. If you have a look at the instructions are really precise too, especially in the painting area. This aircraft had the rear end repainted. So the forward section is in the green and the ocean grey and everything else, but the rear end is painted in the foliage green because it was over painted, but only sort of this section of it and bits and pieces. So the instructions in the colour guide is really good. Other points to note: this kit is very precise. You need to test fit everything. A point that he brought up, and he did it himself as well. The undercarriage legs. The undercarriage legs go into blocks into the base of the kit. They are very precise, and he was pushing it in and then realized there's a bit of flash in the bottom of it. So he went to pull it out, and unfortunately he snapped the leg. So make sure, don't push it all in. If it doesn't all fit straight away, don't force it. Find out why it needs to be cleaned out or whatever. So be aware of that. As you can see from the underneath, just lovely. So it's really something. Just a lovely kit. One of the most famous Australian squadrons in Blue Spitfires around the place. Les overall absolutely loved the kit to build. So this is, if you're looking for one and you want to do one, we've still got some stock left. It's just superb. If you want to have a good look at it, it's in store in the CBD store in the display case. Les has also done a list of what colours he used and things like that, and nicely enough, he used mostly SMS paints. So if you want to have a look at the list he's got, you can actually see it in the store or whatever, or in fact, that's the complete list of what he used. Now, like most modelers who's done a lot of modelling, he has a huge collection of paints and things like that, and this is what he used overall. If you want to see further, more of this is going to be on the YouTube channel shortly, which will give you a bit more look-see and have a time to have a good look at it. But to be honest guys, it's just stunning. It's just such a lovely kit. As I said, Les just enjoyed it so much. It's one of those kits that's just an enjoyable build, but you must, he reiterated it all the time, you must follow the instructions and read the instructions so that you don't get caught out putting parts together, then finding out later on you should have left them off or put them on or not put them on. The fit is stunning to the point, if I take this off, you can actually, the blades aren't glued in. They're keyed in to fit exactly. Hang on a second. And I've just pushed it back in. You cannot tell it's not glued on. Prop back on. And there you go. Just, the whole thing is just superb. As I said, Les had a lot of fun with it. So, as I said, if you want to have a good look at it, come and see us at the city store, and you can have a good look around it. Guys, have a great day, enjoy your modelling, and we'll talk again soon. See you later.